Hi Aquarius, I'm Anisha. To know more about my work, you may visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. For those of you who are seeking deeper clarity, be it in your love lives or your careers, for a personal consultation, you may write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. Aquarians, we have a major planet movement this month. We have Venus that is moving, we have Mars that is moving, we have Jupiter that is moving twice, and then we have the cardinal cross that is being activated. So we have our cardinal signs, we have Aries and we have Cancer, Libra and Capricorn, and though it is going to be affecting the cardinal signs more, but it is going to be affecting the rest of us as well. Now the important thing for this cardinal sign is it's going to be affecting your house of work, your personal life, yourself, what is it that you really want out of life, and your home. Now the thing is to prioritize. It's asking for balance. It's asking to do a pro and a con exercise and see as to what is important and what is not important. Let's have a look at as to how the rest of the month is looking for you. On the 5th, we have Mars that is into your house of day-to-day chores and your health. So there seems to be a lot of activity. You seem to be in a big rush, almost very busy trying to get stuff done around home. Maybe there's day-to-day chores that need to get done, and at the same time, I think your health seems to have stepped up. Fitness seems to be quite important for you. So either you've started eating right, you're exercising more, you're just generally taking more care about your body. On the 6th, we have Venus that moves very briefly into your house of home. This is the house of Cancer. It's also the house which rules your mother, and it is the place where you go and really rest yourself. There could be some amount of guests coming. Maybe there's some extended family that is visiting. There could be maybe you could be redoing up the house. You could be just making it more comfortable. It also indicates at times, some amount of influx and outflux of house staff that is coming and going as well. On the 7th, we have Mercury that is joining Sun in your house of love, romance, creativity and children. And it's a time to be spending some lovely time with your kids. They'll be a great source of joy. But along with it also your creative venture, your own baby, your creative passion that you will be working on, it's going to be showing some great results. There will be some light out of the dark tunnel finally. On the 22nd, we have Sun that is moving into your house of day-to-day chores and your health, and then we have Mercury that is coming and joining Sun, and then on the 25th we have a spectacular new moon that is there, that's coming and lighting up this part of your chart. So a great time to be taking care of mundane things that I would say that have been lying forever at home that need to get done, whether it is your bank trips that are required, whether it is filing of taxes, whether it can be anything. Maybe there is something that needs some repair work at home and it's forever being because there's not enough time. So the regular chores will just have momentum so that you are able to sort of do it. Also, your health is getting to be a priority, which I think is wonderful. You're going to be eating right, you're going to be quite careful about what it is that you're eating, and fitness will take quite a priority for you as well this month. So a brilliant time. Just keep in mind with the cardinal cross that there is a balance that is required between the work and the personal life, and that you take time to sort of take those short breathers so that you can come back with a fresher perspective as to how it is that you could be dealing with the situation at hand. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Aquarians. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.